Hello! I recently did a video talking about experiencing the emotion, saying that when you have a negative thought like you get depressed or you get anxious or you get worried, that instead of turning to our addiction like scrolling on social media or drinking alcohol, that we should sit and experience it for a while. That was actually one part of a 7-step process of taking control of your thoughts, taking control of your thoughts. So I'll go through the 7 steps. The first is to become aware of your negative thought. Maybe you're thinking, oh, I'm so stupid. Or maybe you think, oh, I'll never get married. Or whatever the negative thought is. First step is just to become aware of it. The second step is to write that negative thought down. Write that negative thought down, and that way it'll get it out of your head. And the act of writing will also help. The third step is to try to figure out what emotion triggered that. Was it embarrassment? Was it loneliness? Was it a feeling of rejection that triggered that thought? So figure out what emotion it is that triggered that thought. The fourth step is to actually experience that emotion. So instead of immediately turning to your response to your habit, to just feel that emotion, experience that emotion, to sit in that emotion for a while. The next is to analyze your response. So when I feel this way, I turn to social media and maybe I start scrolling, or I'll turn to pornography, or I turn to alcohol, or I'll get mad and I get angry at people. So realize your response and analyze that response. How's that working out for you? Is it helpful? Is it getting you closer to the solution you want? What is the response if you turn to smoking? Do you actually enjoy the taste of smoking? So analyze the response you're doing. The next is to figure out some action that you can take. Figure out some action that you can take. So now you can try to replace that response with something else, or replace that thoughts with something else. So those are the 7 steps to taking control of your thoughts, taking every thought captive. For more information on that, you can look, there's a link in my bio, a Seeking Wholeness video series. Take Every Thought Captive is a 1.5, 2-hour video that you can look at, or Unchained Disciples, there's notes. Or for an even deeper explanation, Dr. Caroline Leaf has a recent book talking about mind management that you can look at for more information. Hope this helps. Bye.